Okay, everybody, so here is an Emerson ceiling fan in a beach house that my family is staying in. It's in the kitchen. And this is an Emerson. There is a tag, or not a tag, more so an indentation on top of it that says Emerson somewhere around there. I'm not really sure if you can see it, but it's up there somewhere. This ceiling is relatively high in this room. I'm not really sure if you can tell, but it is relatively high in this room, so I can't really get up there too well. And there's the blades. I'm not too sure if those blades are original because since this house is only a block away from the ocean, I would imagine that maybe over the years the sea air and whatnot has gotten to the fan, and maybe the blades have been needed to have been replaced once or twice throughout its lifespan. So it is more than likely that these blades are unoriginal and were replaced at one point in time. And honest to God, I at first thought this was a Fasco because of the reversing switch being inside one of the vents, and the fact that this flywheel looks very Fasco-like, and these brackets a bit as well. But nope, it's an Emerson because I looked on top of it. Oh, and as a quick side note, I'm actually recording this video on my iPhone instead of my video camera, and I know it's probably harder for me to keep the camera steady, so there's probably a bit more shaking involved. But also, I think the quality may actually be better on my phone than on a camera that I paid $170 for in like 2015. So maybe I should start recording videos with my iPhone instead of that video camera. Let me know now in the comments if you want me to like record a video with my iPhone so we can do like a better comparison to see which one is like better quality for the videos. Just a quick side note there. Anyways, so back to the fan. So it has this little loop pull chain on it, and it has this thing that runs along the ceiling here and goes down along here, and it plugs into the wall down here at the ground. Anyways, I'll start it up. There is high. Does make noise on high. Not really sure which model of Emerson this is. Also, the canopy, as you can tell, is yellowed out over time. Yeah, it's blowing a ton of air though. Medium. As you can tell, the noise completely goes away when it goes down to medium, so for the majority of this vacation so far we've been running it on medium. Low. off. So there you go. This is an Emerson ceiling fan in a beach house. That's all there is to say about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Oh, and another thing real fast is this fan has a nice long spin down time. I'm not gonna record it, but as you can probably tell, yeah, it is gonna be a while until it stops spinning. Alright, that's it.